Now, in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the point A, whose coordinate is 2, 1, and B, whose coordinate is 6, 9. If you find this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A perpendicular bisector is a line that intersects a line segment at its midpoint and forms a right angle. Therefore, by definition, it divides the line segment into two equal pieces. To answer this question, we first need to find the coordinates of the midpoint and gradient of the line joining the 2 points we are given. Then from that value, we can find the gradient of the line perpendicular to it before using that information to write down the equation of that line. So let's start by finding the midpoint between the coordinates 2, 1 and 6, 9. To find their midpoint, we do the following. We add together the two x values of A and B, then halve their total to get the x coordinate value. That means adding 2 and 6 together, then dividing by 2. Then we add together the two y values of A and B, then halve their total to get the y coordinate value. That means adding 1 and 9 together, and then dividing by 2. That simplifies to give us 8 over 2 and 10 over 2, which is the coordinate pair 4, 5. So the midpoint of the points A and B has the coordinate 4, 5. Next, we need to find the gradient of the line joining points A and B. We do that by subtracting the y coordinate values of A and B, subtracting the x coordinate values of A and B, and dividing them. Let's write that down. Gradient of AB is equal to 9 minus 1 divided by 6 minus 2, which is equal to 8 divided by 4. That gives us a gradient of 2. So the line AB has the gradient 2. Two important observations to make here are that we always divide the difference between the y values by the difference between the x values, and both subtractions must be taken in the same order. Otherwise, the gradient won't have the correct positive or negative value. Next, we can find the value of the gradient perpendicular to the line AB. If the gradient of a line is given as m, the line perpendicular to that line has the gradient minus 1 over m. That means the line perpendicular to AB has a gradient equal to minus 1 over 2. Using that information, we can now find the equation of the perpendicular bisector. We use the standard equation y minus y1 equals m bracket x minus x1 close bracket when we know a gradient and a point with coordinates x1, y1 that the line passes through. So, y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 over 2 bracket x minus 4. we can simplify this by multiplying both sides by 2 to give us 2y minus 10 equals minus x plus 4. And that simplifies to 2y equals minus x plus 4 plus 10. So 2y is equal to minus x plus 14. We can leave our equation like this, but writing it in the more conventional form means dividing both sides by 2, and that gives us y equals minus a half x plus 7. So the answer to the question is y equals minus a half x plus 7. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.